Hello everyone, welcome back to ResearchRover. Are you looking to customize your laptop display icons? In this quick and easy tutorial, we will show you how to adjust the size of your laptop desktop icons to suit your preferences. Whether you want them larger for better visibility or smaller to free up space, this method works like a charm. So for this, right-click anywhere on your desktop, hover over the View option in the menu, choose between large icons, medium icons, and small icons based on your preference. Like I am selecting small icons. So it's that simple. Watch the step-by-step guide and learn how to make your laptop desktop look exactly how you want it. If you want to make more space, you can exactly convert your icon size into small size. But if you want to view it better, you can convert into medium icons, and you can convert it into large icons as well, like this one. This will make you better understand what type of documents are there in your display. So this is a quick method which you can perform. Like and subscribe to ResearchRover for more technical tutorials and tips. Thank you.